हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल गाइस। आज की वीडियो सिर्फ रीडिंग क्लास की होने वाली है। मैं इस वीडियो में आराम आराम से रीड करने वाली हूँ, इस तरीके से कि आपको समझ में आए कि वर्ड की प्रोनाउंसिएशन किस तरीके से हो रही है। बिल्कुल फास्ट नहीं और ना ही बिल्कुल स्लो मोशन में। ओके, सो बिल्कुल मीडियम वॉइस में मैं यहाँ पे आपको पढ़ाने वाली हूँ। ध्यान से देखिएगा और मेरे साथ रिपीट करिएगा। सो गाइज, विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम, लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो एंड वॉचिंग केयरफुली।
When Papa called me, Baby, come for breakfast. Your milk is getting cold. Called Bhaiya, my elder brother. I quickly put on my slippers, picked up my favorite doll, Beta, and rushed out into the veranda. It was a beautiful day. The morning air was most refreshing. Oh, how lovely! I said aloud. Taking a deep breath, I ran across the veranda with Beta tucked under my arm. Will gulped down the milk. I heard Papa calling out to the driver. Papa is still here. Bhaiya, he hasn't gone to the clinic today, I said, overwhelmed with joy. Being engrossed in a magazine, Bhaiya did not reply, but I could see Papa talking to someone in his room, which was opposite the dining hall facing the veranda. Papa, I don't have to go to school. It's a holiday. Do you have a holiday too? Look, Beta has good fever. I said all in one breath. No, my dear child, I don't have a holiday today. You go and play while I talk to Mr. Singh. He is very ill. I'll ask the compounder to give your doll some medicine, Papa said lovingly. It was quite unusual to find my father at home at that time. Normally, he was in his clinic before I woke up, so I was very happy. My father wiped his spectacles with the kerchief as he listened to his patient carefully. I was on the balcony when I heard, Baby, come here, see this. It was my brother from the veranda. He had spread himself on an easy chair, and our dog Tom was dancing round on his hind legs. I burst out laughing. Papa will give medicine to Beta, I said, showing off. And I'll ask Papa to give some medicine to his darling. I received everyone's attentions and affection. Papa, of course, was the most affectionate. I ran from one end of the veranda to the other and then onto the balcony, staying close to Papa's room to attract his attention while I played. I swung on the curtain, thumped on the door, tapped on the table, pulled and pushed the chair. Look, Bhaiya, what a variety of sounds they make, I said, pulling the chair, then leaping up and rapping on the door, clapping my hands, jumping all the while. Don't, pleaded Bhaiya, taking his eyes off the book in his hand. Racing back to the window of Papa's room, I saw him still busy with the patient. I loved to see him there before me while I played. He must like it too, I thought, to see me play around in his room. I dragged a chair and climbed onto the table. This at last drew Papa's attention. Baby, be careful, you'll fall down, he said tenderly. Look, Papa, I am taller than everyone. I grinned from ear to ear, making my eyes disappear. All one could see was a set of white teeth and chubby cheek. Both Mr. Singh and Papa smiled. Papa did not look convinced, so I said again, raising my hands above my head, Papa, I am big girl now. He nodded with a smile and continued talking to the patient. I touched all that I could reach with my hands till I go to the black switch. No, you should not touch it. I was imagining what my mother would have said. If you touch it, you will get hurt. Bhaiya had told me once this was a forbidden article for me, but how attractive it looked black against the light blue wall. Unable to resist the temptation to touch it, I pressed the switch and the light came on. I immediately switched it off. I was scared. I looked at Papa with large, anxious eyes, but he was busy writing. He did not see me. I looked at Papa again and then ate the switch which begged my hands to touch it again. I'll do it just once more, okay? I said softly to myself. I repeated the mischief once more and was unable to stop myself from doing it again and again.